Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer bug reports from GitHub Issues to Linear. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer bug reports from GitHub Issues to Linear, begin by opening your GitHub. Navigate to the Issues tab within your repository. Browse through the issues list and identify the bug reports you want to transfer. Open the first bug report you wish to migrate. Copy the title of the bug report from GitHub. Next, log in to your Linear account. Once you are in Linear, locate the project or workspace where you want to create the new issue. Click on the plus New Issue button to start a new entry. Paste the copied title into the title field of the Linear issue. Now, return to your GitHub issue to copy the entire description. Switch back to the Linear issue and paste the description into the appropriate field. Examine any labels or tags associated with the GitHub issue. If applicable, add similar labels to the Linear issue for better organization. Review the issue in Linear to ensure all information has been correctly transferred. Next, check the priority or status of the issue in GitHub. Set an appropriate priority or status for the Linear issue based on this information. If there are any comments or discussions in the GitHub issue that are relevant, summarize them. Add this summary in the comments section of the Linear issue. After you have transferred all necessary information, save the new Linear issue. Repeat the process for each bug report you wish to transfer from GitHub to Linear. Finally, double-check each issue to ensure nothing is missed and that all relevant details are accurately reflected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.